where we stopped, we were just looking at, the 12 by 12 sticker sheet. I think we had finished up looking at the 12 by 12 sticker sheet of Say Cheese Tinseltown. Now we are looking at the 12 by 12 collection kit. So for the collection kit includes that 12 by 12 sticker, but also includes 6 double-sided papers. So that little fun stage, the stars, film strip, the countdown on the film strip. On the back side, you have a little film canister and the director's chairs and popcorn. Fun little music notes. And on the back side, rock and roll. I'm not sure what part of that land it is. Cute cut-aparts, 3x4 and 4x6. Universal Studios, right? Universal Studios. I'm pretty sure that's what it is. And maybe a little bit of California Adventure. So cut-aparts. This one has 2 different sets of cut-aparts. So I think we have a little bit like Tower of Terror, a little bit of Toy Story. I don't know this land as well, friends. And then a red and white polka dot, and then that diagonal stripe with a little Toy Story in the backside. And of course, I'm just calling it Toy Story. There's nothing there that says Toy Story, but I'm just giving it, I'm giving the different collections their little names. So you can get the sticker separate, Wanda, the 12 by 12 sticker a la carte, or you can get it in the collection. Disney, MGM Studios, I don't know. You guys got to tell me. It's for something like that. Then we have the foam stickers. Linda said they have grape soda cupcake at Animal Kingdom. Oh, wow. All right, foam stickers, 44 stickers. So these are your dimensional stickers, right? Super fun for that little land. Whatever land it is, whatever park it is, right? It's a park. And then you have the decorative brads. So decorative brads, 27 of the self-adhesive brads, metal rimmed epoxy center, and then a little chipboard there along the bottom. And then the washi. So this one is Say Cheese Tinseltown. Everything is a la carte. All right. Kind of a solid one row, one strip of polka dot, popcorn, stars, little vertical rainbow stripe, and then your little kind of film strip countdown. Okay, that's Say Cheese Tinseltown.